The 2025 Aston Martin Vanquish is recognized for its spectacular look, powerful performance, and luxurious features. The Aston Martin has a sleek and aerodynamic appearance that exemplifies the characteristics of a current supercar. To improve performance and fuel efficiency, the Vanquish body is made of lightweight materials such as carbon fiber. The Aston Martin Vanquish interior is elegant and well-crafted, with high-quality materials, cutting-edge technology, and great attention to detail. The inside is designed to provide maximum comfort and elegance, with soft seating, cutting-edge entertainment systems, and customizable options to meet individual preferences. The Vanquish Coupe and Vanquish Convertible are powered by a naturally aspirated 5.9-liter V12 engine producing 580 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque. Unlike other sophisticated V12 engines, it growls at startup and roars when driven. Aston's strong engine directs all of this power to the rear wheels via a paddle-shifting 8-speed automatic gearbox. The Vanquish rides surprisingly well, and the high levels of grip paired with precision steering make this large two-door enjoyable to drive without losing comfort. Vanquish comes with a number of modern safety measures, including both active and passive safety systems, to ensure a secure driving experience. Advanced airbag systems, electronic stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, brake assist, tire pressure monitoring and adaptive cruise control are among the standout features. The Vanquish may also include advanced driver assistance features such as lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, parking sensors, and a surround view video system. These safety features help to make the 2025 Aston Martin Vanquish a well-rounded car that prioritizes both luxury and passenger safety.